We got a barn burner going here for 15 seconds. We need to push through, hold it, hold it, hold it. Let's go. This is a big one. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Say it with me.
Easy money.
We'll take that, baby. Hey guys, JD here. So what we have here is a classic trend up, trend break, retest a new high. So this market cycle is over. We're in the sweet spot. I saw rejection. Nice candle down. Kind of even a high, lower high. Not really, but just with all this rejection up here, you know, and this big, nice falling hammer, second one, I felt good about going. On the strength currency meter, so we're talking Euro, New Zealand. Euro's been strong, but New Zealand is not in bad shape. Okay, so they were close. And so we got to hold on here. We'll see. But this is, you know, heading back into a sweet spot, entering right above the golden ratio. I really felt good about it. We just got to hold on for one more minute. Okay, so this is working as we expected. Now we got a high push down, lower high. Still plenty of room to drop. Yeah, we're gonna go again on this. Oh no, 48%. Dropped it. We were at 92%. So they know what's gonna happen. They know what's gonna happen. This thing is gonna fall like a rock, but we can't go at 48%. So we'll take it. Good trade. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So you probably have been in the marketplace, right, in the trading arena, and you've seen the statement, learn how to beat the markets, right? It's probably some sales copy of a course or a strategy where they say, learn how to beat the markets. Well, guess what? I got to drop some truth on you today. You ain't beating the markets, okay? All right, listen, if you are a retail trader, right, and you got a retail trader average account size, you're working with retail capital, you ain't beating the markets, right? All right, your retail size account, you're not beating $1 trillion market, right? You're not beating the Forex market. You're not beating the futures market, okay? Trading markets are $1 trillion markets. So you ain't beating the markets, all right? But I got good news for you, all right? And by the way, also beating the markets, that's like saying you're gonna beat the casino, right? You're not beating the casino. It's all big bank, take little bank. That will never change, right? You're not beating the casino. You may get lucky, right? You may get lucky. You may be able to fly out to Vegas and hit them for a couple of days and get out of there. I've done it, but you ain't consistently beating the casino, right? Same thing. You're not going to consistently beat the markets, right? So if you can't beat the markets, what do? I got the answer for you. What you want to do is become a friend of the markets, all right? And so it's a mind switch. It's a maybe a paradox switch that stop going into the market being so aggressive. You know, stop looking at the market as your enemy. It's really what I'm saying. This is why I've been going over like the mental game of trading here this month, real deep. We've been going deep. This been strong meat I've been serving you guys, because I want you to look at the market differently. Look at the opportunity. Don't look at it so that it's out to get you, right? Because many times if you've been struggling, if you're a struggling trader and you've been losing money for a consistent amount of time, the market is your enemy in your mind. You know what I'm saying? The market did it. The broker did it. Euro dollar did it. I hate New Zealand. I'll be honest. I hate the New Zealand pair. You know what I'm saying? The New Zealand dollar, I won't touch it. All right. I don't know why it doesn't like me. Okay. But that boy is my enemy. I'm just saying. And sometimes it's like that. Right? I have to admit, sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's just a euro pound. Nope. I ain't touching it. Now, since I've been doing the strength currency meter, I have to admit I will attempt it, but historically, I don't touch the New Zealand dollar. I don't touch the euro pound. They're probably great pairs for somebody else who has the right mind frame, or somebody who trades them continuously and just understands how they move, how they flow. So let me get back on point though. I kind of got off. I got off point. My point is that you want to be a friend of the market, right? Don't stop looking at the market as your enemy, and instead look at the market as a friend. All right, because a friend gonna what? And you want the friendship to work both ways. A friend to give you the shirt off his back, right? A friend will pay that Verizon bill for you when you laid off work, right? A friend will be there when you need them, right? So what you want to do is approach the market as a friend. And I know some of you people are like, where is he going with this? He's tripping. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. The market is my friend, okay? The market ain't my enemy. The market ain't my competition. The market is my friend. I'm friendly to the market. The market is friendly towards me. Here's how me and the market talk, right? I approach the market, roll out my bed, go to the market, and I say, hey, market, how you doing today, market? You know, how you feeling today, market? You know, how are you feeling today? I'm coming in neutral. It don't matter. It don't matter whether the market is feeling. Are you feeling a little long today? Don't matter to me. I'm your friend. I'm gonna support you. Are you feeling a little short today? Don't matter to me. I'm your friend. I'm gonna support you. All right. So I go to the market and I ask the market, how you feeling today? All right. And then I listen, right? A good friend ain't gonna just be running off at the mouth telling you what I think you should do today, telling you what I think you should be feeling today. No, a friend is gonna listen. So what I do to listen to the market, I put a 21 EMA on the market and I listen. And then once I had a 21 EMA on there, then I can listen to what the market has to say for the day. And the market is say, hey Jay, you know, I'm feeling a little short today. You know, I'm like, okay, market, I understand that. Sometimes the market say, hey Jay, I'm feeling a little long today, right? Sometimes I go, hey market, how you doing? He be like, you know, Jay, I don't know. I'm kind of just in between. I'm not feeling long. I'm not feeling short. I'm kind of rangy. I'm feeling a little rangy, all right? Hey, it's okay, market. I feel a little rangy sometimes too. I'm a little mute sometimes too. It could go either way. I don't know how the day gonna go, right? But after I listen to the market by putting my 21 EMA on there, you know what I do? You know what a good friend would do? A good friend is gonna support his friend, and it's gonna support his friend. So I say, you know what, market? It's okay that you feeling a little short today. I got you. I'ma go short with you. I'ma support you today. We'll go short today. Then let's flow. Sometimes the market, I may have to say, oh, you feeling long? I'll support you. I'ma go long too. Let's flow. All right. Here's the deal. I'm not trying to fight against the market. I'm neutral because it doesn't matter to me. I can make money if we go long. I can make money if we go short. I can make money if we range. I don't care how my friend is feeling. It's just my job to support my friend. All right. And what you don't understand is you can't beat the market. But if you make the market your friend, you can go with the market. You ever heard of the trend is your friend? All right. You go with your friend. Support your friend. If your friend is feeling a little short today, go short with your friend. All right. Then you will realize that there's a lot of traders out here. What you will find out is when you don't try to fight the market, but become a friend of the market, you will realize how popular the market is, right? The market is a popular entity, right? And there's other smart traders who understand how to talk to the market, right? How to read what the market is trying to say. I'm feeling short today, people. All right. And since the market is so popular, other smart traders who are good friends too say, you know what? We see you feeling a little short today, market. We got you. We gonna go short too. then the trend continues. And then more smart traders say, oh, market, we can see based on our trend line, you feeling a little short today. We gonna go short too. And the trend continues. And then you got people who use trend channels. And they say, oh, market, we can see you've been staying in this channel kind of all day. You feeling a little short today? We gonna support you and go short too. Next thing you know, you have a whole day where everybody just supported their friend, went short because their friend was feeling short, and all those people who were friendly towards the market made a whole bunch of money. All because you didn't try to fight the market. You didn't make the market your enemy. You understand how to make the market your friend, how to be friendly. And when you're friendly to the market will be friendly to you. All right. So that is my spiel for today. You ain't beating the markets. All right. Your best bet is to learn how to listen to what the market is saying. Okay. So I'm going to do a work study lesson for you, of course. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at those 3 ways that you can learn to listen to what the market is saying. We're going to look at my favorite, the 21 exponential moving average. It's one indicator I use. And then 2, we're going to look at a trend line for there's people who only use trend lines. And then 3rd, we're going to look at the trend channel. And I'm going to show you how in all 3 instances, however you like to listen to your friend. Hey, because some people interact differently, right, with friends. Hey, some people yell at friends, some people whisper at friends, some people use the room board, some people use the library voice. You know, people communicate differently, right? I like 21 EMA, some people like trend lines, some people like trend channels. Either way, these are 3 ways that I know of, though, that you can listen to the market. All right, so let's go over to the charts. If you want to learn price action trading, you can visit www.jdhyder.com, where you will find the IOTS price action trading system, which is the course that you need to begin to increase on the sudden. All right, so we're back. This chart lesson, we're going to look at futures, and I'm trading the S&P 500, known as the ES, just by a symbol. That's with NinjaTrader, though. I'm using the NinjaTrader brokerage platform. And so the futures market opens up, well, it's open 24/7, but the intraday market, which is the market that most retail traders will trade, starts at 9:30. So right here is 9:30. Okay. Just a little tip. This is definitely not set in stone, but as a tip, whichever way it shoots up first at the open is normally going to reverse. That's just a little tip. Doesn't always happen that way. A lot of times it does. So with that being the case, okay, we shot up. So now the market is open, made this high, and then boom, 1, 2, 3. You see these 4, man, this is 4 strong candles. I mean, it took back all that. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This was 11 candles, and it took it all back in 4. That's a clear sign right there to me. But you know, in talking to the market, it's not clear yet. The market still hasn't decided how he's feeling today, right? I will say right here, I got a high push down lower high that definitely works, especially if you're only scalping 1 point. That works. You're out good. So this was a clue. I'm not saying go right here. We're gonna mark this as a clue. We'll put it red. This was a clue. This is the first clue. The market is feeling a little short, right? I would say once we break right here, because let's do this too. The market was really ranging right here. Let me see something here. Let me see. The market was really had a nice little range going here, right? Nice little range. I don't even want to pull it over there though, because it broke out the range here. So bam, there's the range, right? So the market had this range going, we broke up. Now this was a clue. I wouldn't go right here, but this is a nice clue. And then we broke down, okay? Now it's getting interesting, you know, because we pushed back up. But boom, we got rejection back down. We didn't get higher than this last high. I'm really feeling this entry right here. So at this point, now I'm saying, okay, market, I see what you're saying. You're feeling a little short. Because here's the deal. Here's the thing. This thing didn't get, this thing couldn't stay above the EMA, right? We got under the EMA, under, try, nope, back under. That's really enough for me. I'm at this point, I'm like, all right, you're feeling short today. Okay. You're feeling short today. So we push down, but let's say you don't catch that, right? But here we got a low. Push up, push back down, first entry. Push up, broke the EMA again, push back down. Oh yeah. Right here, bang. Second entry short. You are definitely feeling like you want to go short today. You know, at this point, I understand what the market is telling me. The market is saying it's going to be a short day, Jay. You know, I'm feeling a little short. Okay. So you go there. Now you want to go here. I ain't gonna lie. Push up, first entry, push up, but it didn't touch the EMA, and that candle is terrible. You missed this one, but that's a second entry short that bam worked again. But I like right here, we got a high push down. Look at this lower high. Then when this candle breaks lower, I go right there, because guess what? At this point, I know what? It's a short day. It's a short day. And again, if you're going for a 1 point scalp, which is a scalper's profit in futures, that's no problem. No problem whatsoever. Right? Then you push down. Okay. Now through here, it gets a little choppy. Let's count it from the bottom. Push up, first entry. Push up. You can't go on this candle, terrible signal candle, so you can't take that second entry. You definitely don't go here. Look at all the stem left there. And so you don't go here, and you just don't go here. So you kind of stay out of this one. And you can't go here because that's like a third entry. That's not a second entry. Push up, first entry, push up, second entry, push up, third entry. So that's like a third entry, which, you know, you just don't take. Now, if you took it for whatever reason, it worked with no problem, but I don't take that. But what I do see is you get the high, push down, came back. You got a lower high with rejection right there. All right. So if you don't go here because this candle, you felt like it left too much stem, I get it. But I'll tell you what, when this candle here broke lower, I'm going right here. When this candle broke lower, I'm going right here for the high, lower high. And that boy falls through the flow, because guess what? The market has been describing to us that it feels short today. It's really feeling short today. All right. And then just to speed things up, you know, you break lower here, and then you get this same action here where it just can't go any higher. You get another high, lower high right here again off the EMA. I mean, boom. Then you get another one right here. So instead of trying to beat the market, how about just listen to it? And you could listen to the market real easy here by just following the 21 EMA, taking solid price action entries, second entry shorts, or lower highs off the 21 EMA, and you would have easily, you know, been a friend to the market, you know, no problem. So that's how I do it with the 21 EMA, but that's not the only way to listen to what the market is saying. Let's look at another way that we could just listen to what the market is saying. Let's say instead of using the 21 EMA, I'm gonna leave it on there though, because I don't feel like taking it off and put it back on. Let's say we just use a trend line. Let's see. Grab a line. I like to start. You start at the top. I like to go through a body, which would be here. That don't fit well. It all depends on where you draw this one at. This is why I like the 21 EMA. Prime example. Well, let's see. you actually, I'm gonna do it right. This is what I would do in this case. I would drop it right there because I started the stem, then I go through the first body, right? So once we hit this first body and drop down here, I'm already saying, yep, you're feeling short today. You're feeling short today. I have a trend, right? And the market moves in twos. So you're gonna get a trend break and then a retest the new low. So I'm going here. I'm going here. And I'll possibly go here because I'm expecting a new low. All of those entries would have happened before we got the new low. All right, boom. You know, here is here's that second entry that just doesn't trigger, right? So you don't get to go there. And then here, we already got the new low in place. So if you're using the trend line, you got 3 entries, you know, 3 entries. Not, hey, you still was able to listen, right? You still was able to listen. Not as efficient as my 21 EMA, which is why I use the 21 EMA. But if you like trend lines, you know, that would have worked for 3 of them. And then you could have drawn it differently. Some people go through stems. Let's put it through the stems. This is the thing about trend lines. It's, you know, several ways to do it. Let's just say you hit all the stems. So you would hit it off the first stem, which is here. That's not much better. That's not much better. Okay. So that's the trend line. That's how you would listen to the market with a trend line. So let's try a trend channel. But let's see how that works. All right. So the channel, you go through a top. Oh, that's a range. A channel works by grabbing a top and then the first bottom here. So this is the top. And then you pull it to that first bottom there. Boom. And then you pull it all the way down. Like that. Boom. And so with the channel situation, you really want a channel touch or EMA touch. And in this case, you would have got maybe 2 entries. You can go here, bam. You can go here, bam. But here's the deal. Here's the deal. If I'm trading this channel, I'm not just going for 1 point. You see, I'm staying in until it hits the bottom of the channel. So if you enter right here at, let's just call it 55.10, you hit it here at 55.10, you ride this thing to the bottom of the channel, you should have caught at least 50, let's call it 54, let's just call it 54.95. That's 15 points, people. That's 15 points, all right? Then if you did it again here, let's call it 5,500 even, and you roll this boy down to the bottom of the channel. Let's just call it 82. That's 18 points. And that's if you lock in behind this one, you caught the breakout. So on this channel drop, we got in at 55. You could easily roll this thing down to 71. My goodness. Oh, let's just call it 30. Let's just call it 30. Why not let's just say 70 on that one. So you could have got in at 5,500, and you could have rolled this thing all the way down to 54.70 just by listening to the market, not trying to fight against it, not trying to tell it what you think it should do. All right, just listening by using a 21 EMA or a trend line, or in this case a trend channel, which would have, man, I mean, because look, if you enter at 55 here, you put your stop somewhere above here, you are never in jeopardy, you're never down. And I mean, you catch the run of the day, because through here people were listening, friends were saying, we support you, we gonna go short too. Through here we had some counter trend traders who want to beat the market, want to fight the market. you know, don't want to be a friend to the market, don't want to flow with the market, hey, they got chopped to pieces. All right, they got chopped to pieces because they weren't listening. They want you. Hey, you ain't gonna beat the market. You need to become a friend of the market, listen to the market, learn how to hear the market, learn how to listen to the market, and then be a friend and support the market and flow with it. Don't fight against the current. All right, don't swim against the current. The trend is your friend until it bends. All right, and down here it's kind of starting to bend. All right, so it finally made a bottom down here, but I mean, this is easily a what kind of drop did this end up doing? Let's call it at 55.23 down to 54.38. My goodness. I mean, what did I say? 55.23 minus 54.38, 85-point drop. Okay, so you're in the futures market and you listen to the market. Again, you wouldn't have got in here, but let's say you got in here at 55.10 and just did nothing. If you just got in here and did nothing, 55.10 down to 54.38. Let's say you locked in right here. 54.42 minus 54.42. That's a 68-point drop. Let's say you had two contracts going. That's $6,800. $6,800 in 10 o'clock to 1300. It was 2 hours, people. My goodness. $6,800 in 2 hours by simply listening to the market, being a friend, and supporting the fact that the market was saying, I feel a little short today. All right, so that's the lesson for today. I hope you liked it. Hey, you can't beat the market, but you can learn how to listen to the market and become the market's friend. All right, so this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. Please keep the comments coming. Helps the channel. Please hit the like button. It helps the channel. You know, I really appreciate everybody who comments. I really do. Let me just say that I really do. I mean, I know, you know, other people do things different ways, but I appreciate your comments. It's why I respond to your comments. Hey, I appreciate you taking the time to comment, so I take the time to write you back. All right. Again, I'm a friend, and if you want friends, you gotta be friendly, right? So what I explained today works in not just trading, but in everything, in every endeavor in life. Learn how to be friendly, right? Let's learn how to be friendly. Learn how to support your friends. Learn how to flow, right? Learn how to flow. And I'm gonna stop it with. I'm gonna end with this because you guys know I love sports. And when you're on a basketball court, you trying to be in the flow of the game. You want the game to just come to you. You want it to be natural. And then you want to enter into that shooting zone, right? To where you just, anything you put up, what I'm saying? The rim is as big as the ocean, right? Because you're in the flow of the game. You're in the flow of your jump shot. You're feeling real confident. You're reading the defense. You're seeing what they're doing and where they're giving you opportunity. And you perceive the opportunity and you take the shot, or in this case in trading, you perceive the opportunity and you take the trade. You go here with no hesitation because you already know the market is feeling short today, and I'm going to look for short setups. And man, 68-point win, that'll change. A 68-point win will change your. That'll pay off some debts, right? you catch a 68-point futures run, that'll pay off some debts, right? $1,000 days, people. These $1,000 days, $1,000 days in the futures market. All right, I was supposed to already signed off. My bad. Catch you next time. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye. I don't know how many other channels is truly teaching you how to have $1,000 days, but that's how we roll around here. Check this video right here out.